Hey guys, Justin Brock here with the Medicare Gurus community, and I want to tell you one reason you should never become an insurance agent. Now, one thing that I never expected when we started the Medicare Gurus community was to get a lot of people who were just entertaining the idea of entering the insurance space, or they were licensed but hadn't really found their traction yet. And so one of the interesting topics that commonly comes up is how to get started, how to do this, how to do that. And something that I find out from a lot of these agents is that they entered the insurance industry to work less. They entered the insurance industry to make more money quicker than they had in the past. They entered the insurance industry on a huge promise that didn't seem to have the focus on how much hard work would have to be implemented to get to the level that they were thinking they were going to get to. They also didn't seem to know what timeline to expect to get to this level. So what I wanted to take a minute to tell you is this one reason that you should never become an insurance agent. The one reason you should never become an insurance agent is to get rich quick. To get rich quick or to work less, which I think are overlapping, which is why I said one reason. So this is not a get rich quick scheme. It takes years to do it. I got out of the military. Nobody knows the military is something that makes a lot of money, but my first year in insurance from the military, my pay cut was in half, and I actually lost health insurance too. The second year, I got back closer to making about what I was making in the insurance industry, and then the third year, or in the military, and then the third year I passed that, and I've always went up from that since. But it's not something that you can just go into with no money in the bank and instantly be making more than you were at a salaried position. You can do it with no money in the bank, but it's a marathon and it takes some time to get there. So I think that this is not explained enough by a lot of these recruiting outfits, and a lot of these recruiting outfits are name brand too. So you've probably heard of a lot of them. Some of them have a duck walking around, things like that, where they recruit on a promise, but really what they're after is your contact sphere, so that they can exhaust all the policies they can get out of your contact sphere, and then after that it's sink or swim. Nobody wants to talk to you once they find out you either don't have a contact sphere or that they've already exhausted it. So don't think of a company that is providing you with a mentor as always a good thing, because sometimes, especially if this is one captive company, they have an angle on being your mentor. And that's really it. There are plenty of good things about being in the insurance industry, and I hate to focus on the one negative one, but the one negative one is you are not going to get rich quick. It is a get rich slow but steady, and it is a real occupation with real permanent need that you can build a permanent income in. Whereas a lot of your multi-level marketing ploys are here today and gone tomorrow. Insurance has been around for a long, long time. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.